cute. Hello. Hello. You're a happy boy, huh? Or girl? Boy. And game found food. Did you find food, huh? That's so yummy. Yes. The lab is vocalizing a little bit, so I'd say they're a little more interested in making friends than Game is. Game found some lovely horse poop. We're just gonna have to swim some more after this. Yes, I'm gonna let you roll in it if you choose to do so. Just throw some more sticks into the water for you. Delicious, so delicious. That's it, huh? That's a good morning. Yeah, you guys gonna play or no? No? Alright. Let's keep on walking. The jingling you can hear are my keys. In case you're wondering. Oh, time for another break. Game says, not yet. I'm still ready to keep going. And maybe look for some food scraps or critter scents. Yeah, there's a noise over there. Huh? I wonder what that is. Gonna hide here for some hide and seek for Game. When she realizes I'm gone, she's gonna come flying around the corner. Hey! I know. Hey guys. There you. Hey you. Yeah, you're a very cute boy. You're so pretty up there, Gamita. Game has been swimming quite a bit, so slowly getting tired by now. More sniffy, less runny. Because she's got the crazies out. There are also little fireplaces everywhere from last weekend. So, game is scavenging a bit. Someone's having a drink here. And sooner or later, the lab is going to go back to where they came from. But for now, they're on this journey with us, joining us on this walk. It's very likely that the scent game is following up there is food related. Maybe a critter, but judging by her body language, I think it's food. Gonna take a break, yeah? That's a nice break. That is a very nice break. Hey. Yeah, I think you can run after her and she'd be a little more playful now. Water tends to make game pretty playful. That's where the lab peed earlier. Maybe game will pee there now. No? Just using it to scratch her side. Oh, you did. You found a watermelon. You're such a lucky girl. Watermelon is our favorite fruit. Yep. Yum yum. It's a good snack, huh? Refreshing. See this social learning going on, how the lab follows game's lead. Sometimes she sniffs somewhere, and then he does as well. You're in a murky mood today, huh? Little lab. Once we get away from the algae, there will be more swimming for game. I'll throw in a stick. What's up there? Hey. Her craziness after being wet, so Game's craziness is not what it used to be. She used to be like super into playing anytime she got wet. And ever since her last heat, she's now 5.5, that has gone down. So, you know, growing up there bit by bit. And our friend here is taking another nap in the sun. I know it's the Game is the one who's whining. Getting a bit impatient. You gonna keep going, huh? What? What is it? You gonna keep going and playing, yeah? Well, you got a playmate right there. Just saying. I'm gonna play with you, yes. Just once we're past the algae. When Game has feelings, she likes expressing them in words. Now we're feeling somewhat playful. I think what we really want to do is swim and fetch. We're almost at the place where there are no algae, and then we'll go back to that, yep. We will, I promise. Our friend here taking another nap in the sun, or break in the sun. Game being impatient. After all, even if we grow up, we're still a Mel. And always will be. Something interesting to her left. You can also see how she stays in her radius. When her needs are met, she generally stays within her radius. Only when they're not met, so when she doesn't get enough exercise and or training, does she tend to race out of the radius and need just more than that. Our friend here is still following. Enjoying this morning's walk with us. I have not fed this dog. I just said hi when they jumped up on me, but that's it. They're just in the mood to follow along, you know? Sometimes you are in the mood to follow someone on a walk. And since this on the weekends is a somewhat popular local tourist destination, I assume that this lab has the habit of going for walks with folks. You probably live there, like over there where there are a couple cabins, and probably get food from tourists and make friends with their dogs. So they have a pretty good life here. Gotta get to take a nice walk anytime they feel like it, and get to play, get all the food, beautiful surroundings, no cars. Yeah, is it playtime? Is it playtime? Is it hump time? We're doing humpy play. Okay, we've got the zoomies. Our lab friend is a calmer dog, less zoomy. But Game is totally ready to play now. He's like, yes, please, let's bring it on. I like how she has learned not to bulldoze dogs over when she's zooming. Humping can be a play move too, but you can only do that with a dog who'll allow it. And Game knows that this dog allows it, that it can be a flavor interaction. Otherwise, she would likely not do it, or it would be done in search of a fight. Like all the normal expressions of dog behavior, and among them is humping, are integrated in play as well. And you can see in their loose-bodied language that this is a playful interaction rather than an antagonistic one. Game is just a little aroused now, post-water. And now that she has met this dog for a while, and they've made friends, so this is one of her ways of expressing that arousal. And with this dog, it's not inappropriate. They could probably also hump her and it would be fine. It really depends on the dog and the body language and the kind of relationship that develops between the two. Oh, the water, huh? Yeah, I gotta take a break again. That's a good boy. The temperament of free roamers is usually, once they're grown-ups, really chill. So, the temperament of Game, also a grown-up dog, is way more energetic than that of this lab. And that's because Game is not a free-roaming dog. And her breed is not known for being chill. She would make friends with this lab mix in no time, though. So that would be the kind of dog that Game would recognize and play with anytime they met each other. Alright, we're out of algae territory, at least for the most part. So we're gonna find a stick and go play and swim a little more. And let's see what our friend here thinks of that. They're probably not gonna swim. Maybe they'll watch curiously.